Paki-ano nga sa about the Diskaya. Nakalagay po dito that Diskaya St. Gerard was Duterte admin's #1 contractor. Ayan, nandyan siya, oh. Oo. Let me read, Mr. Diskaya, no? St. Gerard Construction, owned by the influential Diskaya family, emerged as the #1 contractor during the Duterte administration's Build program, according to a September 2018 report by the PCIJ. From July 2016 to December 2017, St. Gerard secured 12.3 billion worth of contracts, despite having been suspended by the Department of Public Works and Highways over the submission of a spurious tax clearance document. PCIJ found that St. Gerard and 9 other firms cornered 68.5 billion pesos, or 14% of all DPWH awarded projects during Duterte's first 18 months. Several of these companies were previously blacklisted, suspended, or had owners facing graft cases, yet still managed to secure lucrative contracts. I'd like to ask Mr. Diskaya if he affirmed these findings of PCIJ.
Mr. Diskaya, please respond.
Your Honor, nirerespeto po namin yung ano po ng PCIJ, yung kanilang pong paglalagay